Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls at the Niagara Gorge. The largest of the 3 is Horseshoe Falls, which straddles the international border of 2 countries, Canada and United States. Elevation 99 meters. Average flow rate 2,400. Number of drops 3. Victoria Falls is a town in western Zimbabwe and the gateway to the massive waterfall of the same name. The Devil's Pool, a national infinity pool, is on the edge of sheer drop. Average flow rate 1088. Total height 108 meters. Number of drops 2. Angel Falls is a waterfall in Venezuela. It is the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall. The waterfall drops over the edge of the mountain in the Canaima National Park. Total height 979 meters. The number of drops 2. Description of the falls between Argentina and Brazil. Iguazu Falls or Iguazu Falls are waterfalls of the Iguazu River on the border of the Argentine province of Misiones and the Brazilian state of Paraná. Average flow rate 1,756. Longest drop 82 meters. Number of drops 275. Sutherland Falls is a waterfall near Milford Sounds in New Zealand. These falls were long believed to be the tallest waterfall in New Zealand. Total height 581 meters. Average flow rate 11. Number of drops 3.